Welcome to Gulf Europe 4 Jobs Works Permits. Mumbai Mecca Mukarrama. Presented by Job Opportunities. Urgent requirement for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Al Salama Company Jeddah Sector. For the medical ready candidate direct. Airport worker. All work workers. Work helping. Loading, unloading. Trolley boy. Cleaning etc. works. Salary 1200 SR approximately Indian rupees 27,000. Benefits plus on duty foods plus tips plus overtime. Requirements. Age limit 23 to 40 years. Candidate must have experience 3 to 4 years in relevant field. Facility. Accommodation. Iqama. Medical. Other benefits. As per Law Kingdom Saudi Arabia. Terms and conditions. 2 years contract period. Working hours 11 hours plus 1 plus odd plus 07 days a week. For more information, please join our social media platforms. WhatsApp and IMO +917506405003. Email gulfeuro4jobs@gmail.com. Facebook Khan Shahanwaz. Instagram Gulfeuro4Jobs. X Twitter @Gulfeuro4Jobs. YouTube @Gulfeuro4Jobs. Kindly note. Please messages only YouTube, Facebook, IMO and WhatsApp. No phone call. Please read the details carefully then after send the complete documents 1 PDF file for immediate processing by email gulfeuro4jobs@gmail.com. After shortlist your CV, our team call you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, join, thanks and comments.